Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have a dash cam showdown between two top contenders. On the left, we have the DKK Dashcam 1080p Full HD, and on the right, we have the Rove R2-4K Pro Dashcam.
It's time to buckle up and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash cam, video quality.
The DKK Dashcam offers a 1080p front camera and a 720p HD rear camera, capturing all three lanes of the road.
Meanwhile, the Rove R2-4K Pro takes it up a notch with stunning 4K UHD recording at 216p.
That's like watching a movie on your windshield.
Now let's shed some light on night vision capabilities.
The DKK Dashcam boasts a WDR function that automatically adjusts the brightness, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. But the Rove R2-4K Pro takes it to the next level with its Super Night Vision feature. It weakens strong lights and enhances details in the dark. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Time to connect with the future. The DKK Dashcam comes with two mounting options, making it versatile for any setup. Plus, it includes a 32GB SD card, so you can start recording right out of the box.
On the other hand, the Rove R2-4K Pro lets you pair your smartphones with its advanced 5G Wi-Fi. With the Rove Dashcam app, you can easily view, download, and share your epic road trip moments. It's like having a personal social media manager for your dashcam.
Let's dive into some bonus features. The DKK Dashcam offers loop recording, accident lock, and even a parking monitor function that automatically senses and records any bumps or scratches.
But the Rove R2-4K Pro is no slouch either. It comes with built-in GPS, voice guidance, time-lapse video, and a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode. It's like having a personal valet and tour guide in one. Both the DKK Dashcam and the Rove R2-4K Pro have their unique strengths. If you're looking for affordability and reliable performance, the DKK Dashcam might be the one for you. But if you want top-of-the-line video quality, advanced features, and that extra oomph, the Rove R2-4K Pro will be your best bet.
And there you have it, folks. Remember, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.